Part 1. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking because it's a creative and relaxing activity. It's also satisfying to prepare meals for myself and my family.
How often do you cook?
I usually cook every day, especially in the evenings. It's part of my daily routine, and I enjoy trying out new recipes.
Who does the cooking in your family?
In my family, everyone helps with cooking. However, my mother is the main cook, and we often assist her in preparing meals.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish to cook is pasta because it's quick, easy, and I can experiment with different sauces and ingredients.
Did you learn cooking when you were a child?
Yes, I learned some basic cooking skills from my mother when I was a child. She taught me how to prepare simple dishes like rice and vegetables.
Part 2. Describe a dish you like to cook. You should say what the dish is, how you prepare it, why you like it, and explain how others react when you cook it.
One of my favorite dishes to cook is chicken curry. It's a flavorful and aromatic dish that's popular in my culture. To prepare it, I start by marinating chicken with spices like turmeric, chili powder, and ginger garlic paste. Then, I sauté onions, tomatoes, and spices in oil before adding the marinated chicken. After letting it cook for some time, I add water to make the curry and let it simmer until the chicken is tender. I like this dish because it's both delicious and comforting. Cooking it makes me feel connected to my cultural roots, and the aroma fills the house with warmth. Whenever I cook chicken curry for my family or friends, they always compliment its taste and ask for second helpings, which makes me feel proud.
Part 3. Why do some people enjoy cooking while others don't?
Some people enjoy cooking because they see it as a creative and rewarding activity, while others may find it time-consuming or stressful, especially if they're not confident in their skills.
Is cooking a skill that everyone should learn?
Yes, I believe cooking is an essential skill. It helps people maintain a healthy diet, save money, and become more independent.
How has technology changed the way people cook?
Technology has made cooking easier and faster with the help of kitchen appliances like microwaves, air fryers, and food processors. Online recipes and tutorials have also made learning new dishes more accessible.
Do you think traditional cooking methods are still important?
Yes, traditional cooking methods are important because they preserve the unique flavors and techniques of cultural cuisines. They also remind us of our heritage.
Why do you think cooking shows are so popular?
Cooking shows are popular because they are entertaining and educational. They inspire people to try new recipes and learn about different cuisines.
Should schools teach cooking as part of the curriculum?
Yes, schools should teach cooking because it's a valuable life skill. It can also encourage healthy eating habits from a young age.